the hi-hat, snare, bass drum, bongos, sound 5 like a DJ. All together. Blowing raspberries into the mic. Bass. Check this. All from the mouth. Sound number 6. Without the mic. So everything you're hearing is literally just my voice. There's no special effects on this. It's just a normal microphone. Say hello into the mic for me.
Hello.
Yeah, so it works. It's just a normal mic, isn't it? Thanks. So yeah, it's called beatboxing if you didn't know. Okay, 6 different noises, and then I'm going to add the harmonica. If you want to hear more, give me a whoop whoop. That's the sound of the police. Right, harmonica, like I said, harmonica and beatboxing at the same time. Oh yeah, by the way guys, the title of this track, you may want to find it on Spotify or something. The title of this track is If You Have Money, I Would Like Some. This is how it goes. Check this. Together. Remix, Billie Jean. I realised today I wore white socks. It's the only ones clean and I need to do laundry. So I got white socks on, so it's a bit like Michael Jackson. This is the air guitar. I've also got a didgeridoo. I've got the only one in the world, the invisible didgeridoo. So I can use it to make psytrance. Check this out. Check this. Right, that vinyl's just disappears. I've got a new one. This one's Snoop Dogg, Drop It Like It's Hot. What I'm going to do now for the... How you doing? Legend. What I was going to do, I was going to say, for the non-English speakers, I was going to hold up my box and just wave it like this and just go...